Nirvana presents Vista Twin Tower Sea View Apartments. Luxury living by the sea. In Harnai Dapoli, experience the perfect blend of elegance and coastal serenity with 68 premium sea-facing units, offering breathtaking 180-degree panoramic views. Choose from 1 BHK, 2 BHK, and 3 BHK, starting at just 40 lakh rupees. RERA approved for complete peace of mind. Up to 80% bank loan, available from nationalized banks. Five-star amenities, including a premium clubhouse and an in-house restaurant. Prime location along the coastal highway, just 15 minutes from the beach. Superior construction quality, with possession by 2027. Invest in a home that offers luxury, convenience, and stunning ocean views. Your dream coastal retreat awaits.